ISO 27001 certification used to take 18 months and cost $150,000. But what if I told you AI is cutting that time in half? Today, we'll uncover three surprising ways AI is transforming how small manufacturers get certified. From AI-guided gap analysis, streamlined documentation processes, to real-world examples of cost savings, you won't want to miss this. ISO 27001 certification is a rigorous standard for information security management. Traditionally, obtaining this certification could take up to 18 months and cost upwards of $150,000. This daunting process involves a complex series of audits, documentation, and compliance checks. For small manufacturers, this can be a significant burden, both financially and operationally. However, AI is starting to change the game. But first, let's understand why ISO 27001 is so critical for your business. AI-powered tools are transforming the initial stage of ISO 27001 certification, the gap analysis. These tools use machine learning to quickly identify areas where your current processes fall short of the ISO standards. By automating this analysis, small manufacturers can shave months off their certification timeline. According to a study in Lyra 2.0, advanced AI can simulate scenarios and provide predictive insights, which are invaluable during the gap analysis phase. One of the most time-consuming aspects of ISO 27001 certification is documentation. AI tools like natural language processing systems can automate much of this work, generating reports and documentation that are required for compliance. This not only speeds up the process, but ensures a higher level of accuracy. Imagine cutting down weeks of paperwork to mere days, freeing up your team to focus on production rather than paperwork. Another AI advantage is real-time compliance monitoring. AI systems can continuously assess your operations against ISO 27001 standards, ensuring ongoing compliance. This allows small manufacturers to make adjustments proactively, rather than scrambling to fix issues right before an audit. Recent advancements by companies like Google DeepMind emphasize AI's role in maintaining secure operations, a key aspect of ISO 27001. The financial impact of using AI for ISO 27001 certification is significant. Cutting the certification time from 18 months to just 6 means less downtime and faster time to market for new contracts. Small manufacturers can see cost savings upwards of $40,000 in reduced labor and consulting fees. Additionally, AI-driven efficiencies provide a competitive edge, enabling faster compliance and thus quicker entry into new markets. Which AI tools are you considering for your compliance needs? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights.